In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a post or reel that asks people to comment a specific keyword, then automatically send them a direct message with your link or lead magnet using ManyChat, while also collecting emails or leads inside the conversation. This is a simple and effective way to turn engagement into actual leads. Instead of asking people to search for a link or send you a message manually, you guide them through one clear action, leaving a comment with a keyword. Once they do that, your automation takes over and responds instantly, which helps you capture attention while interest is still high. Start by creating a post or reel that clearly tells viewers what they'll get and what they need to do. Ask them to comment a specific keyword, like deal, to receive the resource, link, or free offer in their DMs. Keep this part very clear and easy to understand. The keyword should be short, easy to spell, and directly connected to the offer. In your caption or on-screen text, make it obvious that commenting that word is the action that triggers the message. Next, go into ManyChat and build a flow that is triggered by that exact keyword. This flow should automatically detect the comment and instantly send a DM to the user. The goal here is speed and convenience. When someone comments, they should receive the message right away, without any delay or manual follow-up. In that first message, deliver what you promised, whether that's a link, a lead magnet, or access to something valuable. Make sure the message is short, clear, and friendly so it feels natural and not overly robotic. After that, use the automated DM conversation to collect emails or direct leads. This is where you turn engagement into something more valuable for your business. You can ask for their email inside the conversation before giving full access, or guide them through a simple lead capture step as part of the flow. Keep the request easy and low friction. The smoother the conversation feels, the more likely people are to continue. As you set this up, make sure the flow matches the promise in your content. If your post says they'll get something instantly, the automation should deliver that experience. Clear wording, a strong keyword, and a smooth DM sequence all work together to improve results. Once everything is live, your content can keep bringing in comments, triggering DMs,